how to check to see if your Gmail account has been hacked. In this video, I'll show you several different steps that'll hopefully help you check to see if your account has been hacked. And if it has been hacked, you can hopefully remove the hackers and then secure your account going forward. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. And before we get started, if you're currently unable to log in and access your Gmail account because it was hacked or something like that, check the description. I'll have a link to Google where they can help you recover your account. But if you're able to log into your Gmail account, go ahead and navigate to gmail.com, log in, and then select your profile icon in the top right. From there, select Manage Your Google Account. This will bring us to our myaccount.google.com. And all we want to do is go over to Security in the left menu. Once you get to Security, first see if you have any security recommendations. You may have something there. Maybe they've noticed some weird activity. You can go through that there and they'll take you through some steps to fix those issues. But what we want to do is go to Recent Security Activity. And this will be all the different security related events on your Gmail or Google account. So anytime anybody logged in, a password was changed, anything done security-wise to your account. So select Review Security Activities. And what you want to do is look for anything that maybe you did not do or looks suspicious. So maybe a weird location, weird device, or something happening that maybe you did not do. If you notice anything like that, select it and then just select No Secure Account. Once you do that, it's going to take you through some steps to first change the password on your Gmail/Google account. And then it will walk you through steps to secure it even further from there. So go through those steps for sure if you don't recognize that activity. So I'm going to go back to the main page of security. First, under how you sign into Google, I recommend making sure that you have two-step verification turned on. This will add a second layer to logging into your Gmail and your Google account. And most likely this will stop most hacks. If you have this turned on and you're using it correctly, people will not be able to log into your account. After that, scroll down to your devices here, and this is going to show us all the different devices that are logged into our Gmail account. So we can select Manage All Devices, and you just want to go through here again, look for any devices that maybe you do not own or should not be logged into your account. And you can also look at the location of that device, and if it's something that is a little weird or you don't recognize, select it. It'll give you more information. Like this one, I'm going to select this one, and once you select it, you can either sign out of it and remove that device from your account, or you can select Don't Recognize Something and it'll take you through the same steps of securing your account. So just go through this, look for anything unusual and select it and mark it accordingly if you don't recognize it. Additionally, when we go back to the main security section of our account, I recommend going into See All Connections right here for your connections to third-party apps and services. And again, you just want to look in here for suspicious activity. If there's anything you don't recognize or you don't remember connecting to your Gmail/Google account, go ahead and select it and then just select Delete All Connections. You can also see details to see why you're connected to that device. This may help you remember that you actually did connect it and you want that connection. But if you don't want it, go ahead and select Delete All Connections and just confirm that you don't want this. You can read through this for more information, and then to remove that connection from your Google account, select Confirm, and then there you go. That app will no longer have access to your Gmail or Google account. So now that we've gone through the process of ensuring that our Google account is secure and the hackers have been removed, there's one more thing we need to do, which is make sure that if a hacker did get access to our Gmail, that they didn't set up any mail forwarding so that if we receive emails, they're going to someone else as well or to just them. And to do that, simply navigate to your Gmail account, and then select the gear in the top right, and then select See All Settings. From here, you just want to find and select Forwarding, and make sure that there are no forwarding addresses. If there is one, that's one that you set up and you want there. If you find a forwarding address, just go through the process of removing it. Additionally, go through Filters right here, and you just want to make sure that if there are any filters, that you configured these filters and you set them up. So if you didn't, go ahead and select the little box next to them and select Delete. Once you've gone through filters, select Accounts and Imports, and you just want to go to Grant Access to your account and make sure that there are no other accounts added right here. If there are, you make sure that those are ones that you added, and if not, go through the process of removing those as well. So after we've checked our Google account, we've gone through these steps within the Gmail settings, we've now hopefully secured our Gmail account and we have checked it for hackers. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.